everyone. My name is Miss Janelle, and I'm here with my friend.
It's Zoe. Oh, it's me. Oh, hi, Miss Janelle.
Hi, Zoe.
Yeah.
Well, this weekend, we're going to be learning about some things that God made, so I thought maybe we could play a listening game.
Listening? No, that sounds hard.
No, it will be lots of fun. So we're going to hear some sound effects of something that God made, and I want you guys to guess what that sound is.
I don't know if I can do it, Miss Janelle.
Don't worry, Zoe. The kids will help you.
Oh, phew. Okay. All right, that sounds great. Okay, in that case, I am ready.
Okay, here's the first one.
Oh, I know what that is. Okay, what is it? Oh, it's a monkey.
That's right. That was a monkey. Okay, here's the next one.
Oh, that one's a little bit harder. What do you guys think? Oh, of course. Oh, it's rain.
Great job. You guys are so smart. Okay, we're going to listen to another one. Are you ready?
Okay. I don't know if I know what this is. Do you guys know? Huh? Oh, they do. It's wind. Good job.
That's right. Okay, we're going to do a couple of more. Here's the next one.
Oh, I know what this sound is. Except I don't want to give it away. Okay. Kids, do you think you know what it is? Oh, that's right. It's water.
That's right. Those are the ocean waves.
Yeah, ocean waves.
Yeah.
I didn't know what kind of water it was.
Yeah.
It could have been bottled water or something.
It could have been. Okay, here's the last one.
Oh. Miss Jenna, I don't think I know what this is.
Well,
this one's hard.
It is hard. I saved the hardest one for last.
Okay, kids, do you know what it is? Are they right, Miss Janelle?
They are right.
Oh.
That's right. Those are the bird's wings flapping in the wind.
You know, God made a lot of things.
He did. And this weekend, we're going to learn about someone who taught other people all about all the things that God made.
Oh, that sounds like a fun story. Oh, and I can't wait to hear it. But Miss Janelle, can we go see all the other things that God made and listen to what sounds they make?
That sounds great. Let's go do that.
I get what you did there. You said that. Sounds great. You get it?
I did, yeah.
You're a pun master. Oh, yeah, bye.
Bye.